David Chinn, past president of the Aeronautical Society here at Race to Space. Slightly different theme here now, so I'm with Krzysztof, and he's going to talk about the PhD program. I keep getting the name wrong. So Krzysztof, tell us a little bit about yourself and then about the PhD program.
Yeah, so my name is Krzysztof Bzdyk. I'm an immigrant here in the UK. I moved over about 6 years ago. Previously, I was working at NASA Glenn Research Center on the Orion program before deciding to do my PhD. And after moving here and completing my PhD, I was part of the group that helped set up R2T2, or the rocketry research teaching and training program, which is all about taking PhD students, prospective PhD students, joining them up with industry partners and providing them a lot of resources in terms of training and teaching opportunities, as well as a consumables budget so that they can actually do experiments and build hardware and have a chance to test that hardware in their research.
Yeah, that's brilliant. And certainly for my presidential themes of design, build, fly, why does that matter? It's experiential learning from the youngsters through to professionals and professionalization of space. It's really on message. So that pipeline, you've got how many PhDs now?
So we've got 10 PhDs right now in cohort 1, and we've currently closed off recruitment for cohort 2, where we'll have another 10 PhDs, and hopefully we'll be starting cohort 3 next year as well with another 10, and then rotating with about 30 PhDs at our peak.
So in terms of Race to Space, the competition, it's great for undergraduates now, but the wider aim is to develop a cohort of people who can develop mentors, mentor the mentors, and then go from generation to generation.
Exactly, that's the goal. And we can see that with the success of Race to Space. We've got so many brilliant new engineers coming up with this great opportunity at this competition. And they also get a chance now to interact with our PhDs and see and realize that they can take their dreams and their designs farther and make meaningful research, hook up with industry partners, and actually take their technologies to space.
Yeah, and as for the Aeronautical Society, as a professional engineering institution, making sure we've got that pipeline through the generations is essential.
Exactly. Building up that workforce here in the UK with this competition and the R2T2 program, and strengthening our space presence in the space sector.
Okay, that's great. Thanks, Krzysztof.
Thank you.